I shoot whole cities with one body, one lens, and a strap across my chest. 14 hours through Lisbon. 0 bag swaps. 0 missed frames. While everyone else digs through zips, my camera is already at my eye. Here's the exact carry, kit, and settings that make it work. Sling a padded crossbody strap so the camera rides just below your sternum, lens pointing at the ground. Lens down stops it slamming your ribs on stairs and keeps the front element off strangers in a crowd. Cinch the strap so the body sits an inch above your belt line, and it stops swinging on cobblestones entirely. One body, 124/70 for streets and food plates, one fast 35 for blue hour. Skip the second lens and pack 2 spare batteries instead. Reviewing shots on a hot screen at midday can have mirrorless battery life. Drop a microfiber cloth in your pocket too, because sea spray and gelato hands ruin more travel frames than bad light. The camera never goes away between shots. Walk with your right hand resting on the grip and your thumb preloaded on the back button. So lifting to your eye takes one motion, no fumbling. In tight markets, shoot from the hip at the strap's resting height and tilt up 5 degrees. You get candid frames. Nobody clocks you taking. Back button focus, continuous AF with eye detection, aperture priority, auto ISO capped at 6400. Assign your 2 custom dials to walk around in action. One is f8 at 500, the other f4 at 1000. Flip between them without leaving your eye from the viewfinder and you're framed before the moment peaks. Match the shutter to the fastest thing in frame, not the average. Strolling tourists freeze at 1 and 250. A running kid needs 1000. A passing cyclist wants 1600. For panning a scooter, drop to 160 and track it. The rider stays sharp, while the street smears. Run a V90 card so the buffer never stalls mid-burst. One sharp prime at f2 beats a slow zoom every time light drops. As the sun sets, open the aperture before you touch ISO and hold your shutter at the reciprocal of your focal length, plus a stop for hand-holding. On a current sensor, ISO 6400 in RAW cleans up fine. Underexposing to save ISO does more damage than the noise ever would. That's the whole system. Carry it front lens down, pack 2 batteries over a second lens, and preset 2 dials, so you never miss the peak. Leave the second lens home on your next trip, and count how many more frames you actually take. If this made your kit lighter, subscribe for more real-world shooting breakdowns.